Hello friend. Today I am going to discuss about a stethoscope. A stethoscope is the instrument we are used in medical field as well as healthcare profession. A stethoscope can used to listen the sound made by the heart. That sound is S1 and S2, lub and dub sound respectively. Lung sound for listening, the lung sound and intestine sound as well as blood flow in the arteries and vein, commonly used for the measuring of human blood pressure. So this is our topic for that is a stethoscope. And for S sound in our for listening of heart sound, that is S1 and S2. S1 sound is nothing but lub sound, LUB lub sound, and S2 sound is nothing but DUV dub sound. S sound it produces when the closing of mitral and tricuspid valve, and S2 that is dub sound is produced at the time of closing of aortic and as well as pulmonary valve. And if you see the invention time, that is invented in 1861 by France doctor name is that is Rene Théophile Hayanindi La Lansec Lannec invented, that is 1861. And if you see the classification or types of the stethoscope, that time we will see the stethoscope is mainly 6 type. Number 1, single stethoscope. In that single stethoscope there will be hooks up to 1 ear will be there, and binaural stethoscope. If you see, this is the binaural stethoscope. We are mainly used at binaural stethoscope. And number 3, that is differential stethoscope. Differential stethoscope that is used mainly for the comparing sound in two body region. And number 4, that is electronic stethoscope. Electronic stethoscope that is mainly used for the amplify the sound of your body. And number 5th, that is fetal stethoscope for listening to fetal heart sound. And number 6, that is esophageal stethoscope, that is mainly used for the esophageal stethoscope, that is mainly used for the listening the sound what is that produced in esophagus. And if you want to see the each part of the stethoscope, what is the anatomy of a stethoscope? See, this is the anatomy of a stethoscope. You will come to know about that each portion of a stethoscope that is there. First, we will see that is the portion that is ear tip. This two is called ear tip portion. See, this two, one and this 1 and 2, this is called ear tip. That ear tip we should use fit into the external ear canal. This ear tip we should fix into the external ear canal. Number 2, that is ear tube. That is the ear tube for the stethoscope. This metal portion that is called ear tube. And chest piece, that is too much important for a stethoscope. Chest piece, this whole portion called chest piece. This called chest piece. In that chest piece, it contains two parts. That is, one is diaphragm. This front side part is called diaphragm. What is the use of diaphragm? This front side, see, there is the indicated diaphragm is used for listening the high pitch sound. When you want to listen the high pitch sound, that time you should use diaphragm. and backside is there, that is called bell. When you want to listen the sound, when the sound is low pitch, that time you should use that is backside, that is called bell. And this one hole is there, in that hole, that is called this hole. This in this hole in diagram is there, that hole is called, that is acoustic sound hole. What is the use of acoustic sound hole? That is used for allowing, see, this is acoustic sound hole, for allowing the sound to travel more freely. This hole is used for allowing the sound to travel more freely. And sound conductor that is sound conductor is there in the stethoscope. Here sound conductor will be there. Sound conductor is mainly used for the conducting the sound. And sound indicator also there in the stethoscope. Here it will be present in sound indicator. Sound indicator is mainly used for indicating active site of chest piece. This sound indicator, there will, if you rotate like that, there all sound will be there. That is sound indicator. This sound indicator will detect the active site of chest piece. We know chest piece is contain two parts is there. That is, its total part is called chest piece. Front side called diaphragm and back side called bell. This total parts is called chest piece. And to find out the active site of chest piece, that time we should use, that is sound indicator. And this is the whole part of, once I am going to revise, that is ear tips, that is in a stethoscope, there are two portions called ear tips. Then this is called binaural